Firstly, what are enzymes? Enzymes are biomolecules found within living cells. They act as catalysts, meaning they speed up chemical reactions while lowering the activation energy required. Importantly, enzymes are not used up or altered during the reaction. Once the reaction is complete, the enzyme remains unchanged and can be reused. They play a vital role in various processes inside living organisms. Let's look at how enzymes function. Enzymes have a specific three-dimensional shape, and within that shape is an area called the active site. This is where the substrate, the molecule the enzyme acts on, binds. There are two common models to explain the interaction: the lock and key model, where the substrate fits perfectly into the active site, and the induced fit model, where the enzyme adjusts slightly to bind the substrate. Once the substrate binds, the enzyme lowers the activation energy required for the reaction, helping it occur faster. After the reaction, the products are released and the enzyme can be reused. Enzymes are highly specific, meaning one enzyme usually only works on one type of substrate. Enzymes important in biological and industrial processes. Enzymes are important in both biological and industrial processes. Biologically, they help regulate essential functions like metabolism, growth, and tissue repair. They also help maintain homeostasis and are essential for cell survival. Industrially, enzymes are used widely. In the food industry, they improve texture, flavor, and shelf life. For example, amylase in baking or proteases in cheese making. In the pharmaceutical industry, enzymes are used to produce drugs and even act as active ingredients, like digestive enzymes or streptokinase for dissolving blood clots. So, enzymes are not just important in living organisms, they are also crucial in making many products we use every day.
I will briefly explain the types of enzyme used in biotechnology and medicine, especially in enzyme-based drug production. Let's begin with the first enzyme, lipase. Lipase is the enzyme that breaks down fat into fatty acid and glycerol. In biotechnology, lipase are widely used to create chiral drug molecule, especially by resolving racemic mixture, which is important for making drug more effective and safer. Next, we have oxidoreductase. This is a group of enzymes that carry out oxidation, reduction, and reaction. They work by transferring electrons between molecules. These enzymes are important in drug synthesis, biosensor like glucose test strips, and even in environmental cleanup processes. There are other some enzymes like protease and transaminase. They also help in their own way to the biotech industry and also medicine. Let's look at the benefit and challenges of using enzyme in this field. First, the benefits. Enzymes are eco-friendly. They work under mild temperature and pH, which reduce the need for harsh chemicals. They have high specificity, means they only act on the intent target, which improve accuracy. And they can be cost effective in the long term, especially for larger scale production. However, there are some challenges. Many enzymes are unstable and they can lose activity in harsh industry conditions. The production cost of enzyme, especially purified or engineered one, is often high. And finally, there are regulation and enzyme-based drugs must go through strict approval process before they can be used in humans. Now, let's move on to how enzyme function in the field of biotechnology and medicine. Enzymes act as biocatalysts. They speed up chemical reaction without consume. This makes them extremely valuable in drug production. One example is lipase. Lipase is used to resolve racemic mixture. This means it helps separate drug molecule into their correct action form, which is important for making the drug safer and more effective. Another enzyme is transaminase is used to convert ketone into crylamines. These crylamines are building block for drugs like antidiabetic medication. So overall, enzyme help create high quality drugs with benefit target, few side effect and more effective production.
Let's begin with a simple understanding of cleaning and laundry products. These are substances designed to remove dirt, stains, odors, and germs from surfaces and fabric. They're essential for maintaining hygiene and cleanliness in home, workplaces, and industries. These products fall into two main categories: cleaning products and laundry products. Cleaning products include surface cleaners, disinfectants, dishwashing liquid, and multipurpose cleaners. Laundry products cover detergent in powder, liquid, or pot forms, as well as fabric softeners, stain removers, and bleaches. Now, let's explore how enzymes improve this product. Enzymes are natural biological molecules that help break down stains, making cleaning more efficient and eco-friendly. In detergents, different enzymes serve different roles. Amylase breaks down starch-based stains like sauces or chocolate. Lipase tackles greasy or oil stains. Protease break down protein-based stains such as blood or sweat. And cellulase help keep fabric smooth and bright by removing tiny surface fibers. This enzyme works by breaking complex stains molecules into smaller, water-soluble pieces that resolve easily, even in cold water. Each enzyme is highly specific, acting like a key design for one type of lock. This precision makes them very effective at stain removal. There are several benefits to using enzymes in cleaning products. They are efficient, work in short cycles, and low temperatures and help save energy. It also enabling cold water washing and reducing electricity use. They lower the need for harsh chemicals, making them more cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Plus, because enzymes are biodegradable, they reduce the overall ecological impact. However, there are challenges. Enzymes can be sensitive to changes in pH or temperature and may break down in strong chemical environments. It will reducing their shelf life. Production costs can be high also, and some enzymes can trigger allergic reactions. It will require careful regulation and testing. A well-known example is Persebio by Unilever. It contains multiple enzymes like protease and amylase, and it's designed to remove tough stains while remaining gentle on fabric. It also promotes energy savings by working effectively in cool water. In summary, enzymes in cleaning and laundry products represent a smart, sustainable advancement in biotechnology. They improve cleaning performance, lower energy use, and support more eco-conscious living, making them a powerful tool in both science and everyday life.
Good day everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the application of enzyme in the textile and paper industry. But before I dive into their specific use, let's first explore the overall benefits and challenges of using enzyme in this field. Enzyme brings many important benefits. Their uses are eco-friendly because they reduce the use of harsh chemicals. They also contribute to energy saving and water conservation because enzymatic treatments often require milder temperatures and shorter processing time. In the long term, these processes can become more cost-effective and process efficient. However, several challenges limit their wider adoptions. One of the concerns are enzymes are often highly specific. They only act on certain fiber or substance. This specificity drives up costs, since specialized enzymes are expensive to produce and is not economically feasible for small and medium-sized manufacturers. In addition, enzymes are sensitive to temperature, pH, and processing conditions, making the stability and performance hard to control. Another challenge is lack of technical knowledge, as some of the manufacturers are unfamiliar on how to fully integrate the enzymatic method into the existing production system. Lastly, environmental concerns due to the disposal of enzyme after use, for example, wastewater treatment. Let us proceed to the enzyme uses in the textile industry. Enzymes used in desizing to break down the starch for dyeing processes, as starch increases strength and reduce breakage of the fiber, making the dye difficult to penetrate through the fiber. Lipids and patinates used in scouring process to remove impurities such as natural oil, dirt, and waxes to obtain cleaner and brighter fiber. Cellulase used in bleaching to remove unwanted color from the fiber to improve absorbency for dyeing, printing, and other processes. It is also used to purify material. Cellulase is also used in biofinishing and biowashing to improve fabric appearances, enhance color retention, and have giving a softer effect. Paper industry, cellulase and lactulase used in bleaching to break down hemicellulose, enhance chemical penetration's ability, and reduce the amount of chemical needed in the bleaching process. It also removes lignin that cause yellowing and the degradation of paper over time. Cellulase also used in the inking to remove ink from recycled paper. Lipase is also used in pitch control, which pitch is a type of resin which removing this pitch could reduce downtime of paper production machine. In real life, Novonesis have produced a Quasine 480 liter which contained alpha amylase. This product having this enzyme enable the production of various paper grades by enhancing surface integrity and printability. It also used to create board with different grades through surface sizing and coating, improving the smoothness and durability of the board.
In conclusion, enzymes are essential biological catalysts that accelerate chemical reactions while remaining unchanged, making them crucial in both natural biological processes and a wide range of industrial applications. From regulating metabolism and maintaining homeostasis in living organisms to improving food quality, enabling pharmaceutical advancement and promoting eco-friendly cleaning solutions, the role of enzyme is both diverse and impactful. Looking ahead, future advancement in enzyme technology hold great promise. Innovations such as the genetically engineered enzymes with improved stability and efficiency, as well as the use of CRISPR and gene editing tools to optimize enzyme production, are expected to revolutionize multiple industries. Additionally, the development of immobilized enzymes can make industrial processes more sustainable by allowing enzyme reuse and reducing waste. Enzyme technology also offers powerful solutions to global challenges. It supports sustainability by minimizing chemical and energy use, contributes to medical breakthroughs through enzyme-based treatments, and aids in environmental protection by enabling cleaner, biodegradable alternatives and pollution reduction strategies. These advancements will continue to shape a healthier and more sustainable future. Thank you.